So let's talk about workflow. When we talk about workflow, it starts from what's the problem that wants to be solved. So you have to identify the problems to be solved. Then you start thinking about, okay, what data is available. So that's where a data architect, a data engineer will come in, what data is available. Then you have to go through data cleaning. That's where you start looking at data scientists or a data analyst. So you get data that is available, you clean the data to suit what you want to do. Then you start doing exploratory data analysis. So you want to look at what is contained in your data. What do I have? What insights can I get? Then you can now start doing data transformation. So after you understand your data, you can now start transforming the data to prepare it for machine learning or making predictions. Then after your data transformation, this is where prediction begins. So for example, a data analyst will focus on data cleaning and EDA. That's the gray and the green circle. Then a data scientist will pick it up from there and continue with data transformation, because you want to start training the data, preparing the data for predictions, right? Then from data transformation, you start training your models, making predictions. Then you evaluate your model. When you train your machine learning model, you want to evaluate your model. In some cases, the model might be right. In some cases, you need to. So when you have like a not a favorable result, you either retrain the model until you get good results. In some cases, retraining the model wouldn't be good. So you have to go back to the data to get more data or get a different kind of data. Or in some cases, you have to revise the problem. So if you don't have enough data to answer the problem you have, or to answer the questions you have to maybe revise your problem statement in order to fit the data you have or acquire more data, things like that. Then just know that sometimes these processes could be iterative. So you go through in loops and come back, things like that. Then when your model is good to go, then you deploy your model for whatever, for applications. You start looking at software engineers and other things like that. But I think that's just like a general summary of how the data science process and workflow goes.